In this video, we'll show you how to perform an auto print head alignment. If the printing is misaligned, try the print head alignment function. This may improve print quality. The print head alignment is performed in two steps. 1. Printing the alignment sheet. 2. Scanning the alignment sheet. Let's get started. First, we'll start by opening the paper tray. Load one sheet of A4 or letter size plain paper. Align the paper guides with the edges of the paper. Don't press the paper guides in too much or the paper may misfeed. Now, push the cassette back in. The paper settings confirmation screen will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration. Slide out the paper output support. Then, open the output tray extension. Now let's print the print head alignment sheet. Press the Setup button. Select Maintenance. Then press the OK button. Select Head Alignment. Then press the OK button. The print head alignment sheet will be printed. Next, we'll check the print head alignment sheet. Check the sheet for incomplete patterns, white horizontal streaks, or faint printing. If you do see this, we'll need to perform print head cleaning and print the alignment sheet again. Now, let's scan the print head alignment sheet. Open the document cover. Place the pattern on the glass with the printed side facing down. Align the mark on the sheet with the reference mark on the printer. Close the document cover gently so as not to move the print head alignment sheet. Now, let's perform the print head alignment. Press the black button or color button. Print head alignment starts automatically. Please wait a while. The print head alignment is now complete. Check that the printing misalignment is improved. Now, let's talk about troubleshooting. A support code and a message will appear on the computer or printer's screen. If a message appears on the printer's screen, press the OK button to clear the message, then check the following. First, check that the print head alignment sheet is printed properly. Check for incomplete patterns, white horizontal streaks, or faint printing. If you do see this, we'll need to perform print head cleaning and print the alignment sheet again. Second, check that the print head alignment sheet is placed correctly. Thank you for watching.